Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this newly reduced house for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright guys, this is 855 Empress Drive, just reduced to 360. Sits on a pretty nice sized corner lot. It's on Empress, so it's a little bit busy, but the garage is on the side street. So again, this sits on a pretty nice corner lot. You have all sorts of parking. Garage is on the little side street here. Got a little covered back patio. Plenty of room for a pool. So it has a newer roof and air conditioner, and they did a bunch of like can lights and some vinyl windows. It basically represents one of the lowest priced homes in Lake Havasu right now. So let's go on in and check it out. Alright guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,683 square feet. Now 360. It's a nice little open living area, can lights, ceiling fans, real hardwood floors. So most everything you see in here is available. So you got kind of like two living areas. On the front has a living room, and then there's another little living area in the rear off the kitchen. It's kind of a cool little setup. That's a slider out to the covered back patio. You have a little eat-at, tiled topped breakfast bar in the kitchen. Recessed lighting in the top there. Some glass tile backsplash. Kind of Jack and Jill's around from the front living room on both sides. Garage door access. So you have all 3 bedrooms on the same side of the house. There's a little pocket door for this hallway. So you have some storage. And then the master at the front of the house. All hardwood floors in here as well. You have a little double door walk-in closet. And your master bath. So you have a guest bedroom with a 4-panel slider closet. hardwood floors in here as well. So on the other side of the hallway you have a guest bath. It has solid surface tops for the sink. Then you have guest bedroom number 2. Has a slider out to the backyard, and that same 3-panel walk-in closet. So back off the kitchen, you have your garage door access. It's also where your laundry lives. So it's 18 feet, 24 feet wide with a 7-foot insulated door. There's also a door out to the patio area, and this used to be a standard size garage, but they put a utility room in the back part here. I'll show you. So at the back of the garage has this little utility area, has a wall AC. Cool little setup. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Empress Drive. Again, this one was just reduced to $360. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page or right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.